would like to start by saying this, that I am not perfect and never will be. But I know that someday all my brokenness will be turned into a beautiful testimony, because that's just who our God is. That I am never broken beyond repair, and so do you. And so, I sincerely hope and pray that may He use this channel for His greater glory. May He use this channel to touch other people's lives and lead them to Him. So, let us journey together in faith and pray for each other to finish the race set before us. Hi, this is Eloi, and this is Fearless as She. Welcome to my channel. Kamusta po kayo? May you have a beautiful day. God bless you, beautiful soul. To God be the glory.